Wellington, the capital city of New Zealand, and the host tonight of quarterfinal number 3 in Super Rugby 2019. Already the Crusaders and the Hawaris are through to the semis. Looking to join them in the next 80 minutes will be either the Hurricanes or the Bulls. Saki with the throw, tipped by Schneemann. As the Hurricanes put a little bit of pressure on. Out to midfield, and Creel straight through. Delayed his pass for Hallant. Chased down by Barrett, and I think he scored. Yes, he did. Got it down. What a good try for the Bulls.
So off the line out. Just have a look at this ball here. Just across the face there. Jumps out. Lovely backing up. Lovely timing. And Bowden Barrett, well, he's quick. But Hallant just has enough to get there.
Bodies all over the place for Perenara. Away for Lumanga Jensen in space. Now Hurson had to haul it in and gets it off to Perenara, and the little halfback scores.
And just a lovely hands here. Firstly, Coles, he's in behind for Geordie Barrett. The lovely pass in front to Umanga Jensen. This here, Wes Huyson, where he knows he's got a ton of support on the inside. And TJ Perenara, 126 appearances, gets the dot.
Tumunga Allen snaps it up. Is looming. Now Perenara working blindside and Lamb's on his way to the line, and Ben Lamb gets the second.
You just see efficiency, blind the ruck, getting the ball, nice ball, switching back the other way, and Bowden, well, he gives it on, lovely line from Ben Lamb, and the power, you're not going to stop that.
Open up, 3, open up! Thank you, just stay there now.
There's Pollard. Floats a kick across field, clever kick, but it didn't sit up. The bounce of the rugby ball wasn't. And here's Rayasi playing, and Rayasi straight up the middle, and Rayasi goes in. What a try that
is! The quick line out throw, well, TJ does well there, not to offload, just recycles, and you just sees, look at the opportunity, the pick and go pod, you'd be happy with that. Maybe you haven't got the pace, but look at this young kid has.
There's Warner, gets it off to Inyakani, and the big prop forward takes it in. Now Schneemann, nice offload in the tackle for Vermeulen. Pollard slings it wide. Hendricks is still a chance here. Hendricks, and oh, he's got it down. What a good try that is.
There's a wobbly old pass here, that one there, but he gets it, he just a little goose there, gets the fend out to Rayasi, and then somehow he gets over.
Right near the 22 Bulls territory as Perenara away for Laumapi. Blackwood, Rayasi got a beautiful pass away. Evans still on his feet, Gareth Evans. He got it away as well.
No hands!
Now Perenara, and Rayasi's going to score another one.
Patience here. And then just the offload. This is a lovely, lovely offload here by Rayasi. And he stays the left side. And TJ, he just picks the right option pod. It's open on the left side. Rayasi in for another.
Advantage.
Another advantage, and off they go. Oh dear, trouble here too.
That last one was
You can see he's put his hand out, and then as soon as he's done it, he's tried to take it back.
penalty try, boys. 23.
Penalty try and a yellow card.
Just near the 22. As Warner swings it away, Pollard's going to put another flat kick in for Hendricks. Hendricks now, and he beats a man, and Hendricks scores in the corner.
The big man, the offloads, getting through half holes. And this here lovely kick from Pollard. Well, he's got that on a string, has he? Shapes the kick, gets the big fend out for Geordie Barrett. And Umaga Jensen can't quite get there, but he's lethal from this point out.
Sale spins it away. The pass away, and Hendricks drops it. Can you believe it? Cornel Hendricks, one of the stars of the game, has dropped the ball. And the final whistle goes. Hurricanes go to the semi-final.